Defense attorneys for Cameron County Tax Assessor Collector Tony Investigator Jr. turned up the heat in court today. It prompted the lead investigator in the case to make several unexpected admissions. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez was in the courtroom. She joins us now live from Corpus Christi with more. Daisy?
It's only day 2, but already state prosecutors calling one of their key witnesses to the stand. That's DPS investigator Rene Olivares. He was on the stand most of the day. First, he claimed that Investigator was caught on a recording accepting a $100 payout from an informant that was actually working with authorities. According to the investigator, that informant was requesting that Izaguirre grant him some vehicle transfer titles without the correct documentation. Now, things really got intense when the defense got a chance to cross-examine Olivares, putting in question his knowledge of the law. Also, all 11 counts of bribery against Izaguirre. Here's a little bit of that exchange.
Did anybody explain to you the laws regarding the differences between the title requirements for citizens versus dealers?
No, sir.
Did you ever ask anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. So when the Texas DMV started giving you dealer titles, at that point you had no idea that the requirements for dealer titles were different, did you?
That's correct, sir.
Going into this trial, Izaguirre was facing 23 counts against him. The one count for engaging in organized crime was dropped. He now faces 22 counts for bribery, abuse of official capacity, and official oppression. The defense went on to attempt to paint a picture of an overzealous investigator who didn't pay attention to any possible red flags or other investigators' doubts about Izaguirre actually being involved in any illegal activity. Eddie Lucio declined to comment outside of the courtroom, but we did get to speak a little bit to the prosecutor, Peter Gilman, about that. He says right now he's not worried.
No, this is just part of the trial. Everything's going on.
How do you feel about it so far?
We're good.
Confident?
Yeah.
The jury was dismissed earlier than expected. They were set to listen to an audio recording that's mostly in Spanish, but that recording is the one that allegedly shows Izaguirre taking that bribe. Since there was no translator available, the judge decided to wrap things up early. He called the jury in tomorrow at 9 a.m. It is important to mention that Izaguirre is being represented by Eddie Eduardo Lucio, no connection to the state rep or the state senator. Lucio is the one that was also charged for bribery in connection to the former Cameron County District Attorney Armando Villalobos. He had his case here in Corpus Christi, and he was acquitted of any of those charges right here in Corpus back in 2013. Another side note, the total amount of bribery that Izaguirre allegedly took, $1,100. Of course, we're going to stay here and continue this trial, and we'll keep you posted. Live from Corpus Christi, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.